Calcutta Gold Cup, the Kaitan Memorial Calcutta Gold Cup, and two major contenders stand out, Star Superior and Trafalgar. Suraj Naradu versus YS Srinath. Vijay Singh versus James McEwen, and we're joined by Mr. Martin Singh Mahindra, the breeder and co-owner of Trafalgar. Good afternoon and welcome to BetIndiaRaces.com.
Hi Nihal, what's up?
Now, Mr. Mahindra, Trafalgar, he's younger than Star Superior. He is the champion miler of India. How confident are you guys of beating the older champion today?
Well, I wouldn't say we are certain about it, but I think we definitely have a lot more confidence this year than we did last year because he's already the Super Mile winner. He's had a run. He's traveled and reached Calcutta, I think, nearly a month ago, which is good enough for a horse to acclimatize. I think Star Superior just got there a week ago, and he hasn't raced since the invitation as well. So everything is in our favor, but he's a class horse, and I won't count him out to give us a run for our money for sure.
Now let's talk about your choice of jockey, YS Srinath, one of the finest in this country. But yet, he's only ridden Trafalgar in the Indian Derby where he finished way down the field. So what prompted this choice today?
Well, actually, Trevor was meant to ride the horse, and the Bangalore St. Leger, which was meant to be run on the same day, was the reason why Trevor couldn't make it to Cal. So we definitely chose Srinath, and he's very bullish on the horse. He's also been working him in Bangalore. Feels he's improved since Mysore, and I think there was no better rider for him because I just feel he's a big horse. Srinath's by far one of the best riders in the country without a doubt, and I think it's going to suit the horse as well as the Indian Derby. He truly felt that Trafalgar's best trip is not the mile and a half. So and you plus have to discount that run because he didn't travel too well from Cal to Bombay. And then he got pushed out wide. So, that's the only run I think he's had where we are really disappointed. And I think after that, he just bounced back and won the Super Mile Mysore.
Well, I will ask you one final question here. In Mysore, when you won the Super Mile, I actually asked James, is this now the horse who's going to replace Adjudicate in your yard? How confident is James today of beating Star Superior, and how confident is your entire 10-person, your entire syndicate?
Well, Nihal, James and the syndicate are sitting in Cal, I'm sitting in Bangalore. So I have no real idea what James is thinking exactly, but I'm sure he's quite confident. And so is the syndicate. We always like to play the underdog and we always make a favorite. I think everyone has to beat us. There's no doubt about it because he's a class horse. He's reached Cal in time, and I think with Srinath up, I think everybody has to beat us.
Well, I wish you the very best of luck. The Naradu brothers have also given Melissa an interview, and they seem pretty confident. Is Star Superior the only horse to beat? Anything else in that race you think could pop a surprise?
That's what I'm saying. I will never say that Star Superior is the only horse. There are a lot of good horses there. Psychic Force has won his last start. Awesome One has won his last start. Shivansh is there. Vijay Singh is quite confident of running well. And when have you known the Naredus to be not confident? So I think, if you come to think of it, I think everyone's running with confidence and hoping that they can win it. And so are we. I would definitely say that they all have to beat us.
Well, I wish you the very, very best of luck. Go well in the Kaitan Memorial Gold Cup.
Thanks, Ian. Thank you.